how to follow someone on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to follow someone on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find this click on his profile here and then just click follow, and that's it. It's easy of course, and you can unfollow him just by click here and click unfollow, and that's it. It's easy of course, and now just follow him and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.